to you, my friend. Goodbye for now until we meet again. I don't know why that just came in my head, but I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I really am slaying my brows today like a girl. But anyways, let's get into the video. But before we really get into the video, I want to show you guys something that was sent to me, and this is not sponsored. This is not sponsored. This ain't sponsored. This ain't sponsored, okay? I had to make sure I let y'all know this. But I know y'all been seeing it all over YouTube. I've been seeing it all over YouTube. So I'm like, I need to see what's up. I need to see if it's really legit, because everybody's saying that this is good, a good service and everything. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is from Helpppppp. It comes in a package like this. If you do not know what Helpppppp is, it is a monthly subscription of a fragrance. So each month they will send you a different fragrance of your choice. So yeah, basically they have all types of fragrances on their site. Let me tell y'all some of the brands that they have. They have Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, Cartier, DKNY. They have over 75 brands, 500 fragrances to choose from. So they have a ton of fragrances to choose from. If you're one of those people that don't want to buy the full bottle of fragrance, because y'all know at Sephora, them fragrances are high. So if you just want to try your favorite, like, or try a different designer brand of fragrances each month for the low, then this is definitely going to be the subscription for you. So I'm definitely going to be trying it out. I'm starting to get back into perfume. I used to be obsessed with the Rihanna, I don't even remember what it's called, but I used to get it from Burlington Coat Factory. It's so hard for me to find it now, but I am going to be on the hunt for it. But that fragrance smells amazing. So I'm going to start back building my fragrance collection because it's lacking, honestly. And so we're going to just open this package together. Actually, I'm going to just cut it open because I don't got time. I need to get into talking to y'all, but I also want to see this fragrance that was sent to me. So let's see. Let's see if it is worth the hype. So basically, this is just what it says. It says Helpppppp, New York. And it tells you on the back how to use your fragrance. Okay. So it comes in a nice little velvet case. I was definitely not expecting that. Okay. And so this is the scent that I got. I believe this is Chanel something. Oh yeah, so you just twist it. Oh, I can hear it. This is Chanel. I don't even remember what I got. Gucci Guilty Intense, because a lot of people be talking about Gucci Guilty, and I wanted to see what Gucci Guilty was about. So I'm just going to spray some. Oh, that smells nice. I'm about to be smelling good. Okay, I like that. That smells real good. So yes, you will get one of these every single month, and it is a full bottle of their size, which is really nice. I really like the bottle and how it twists up. So you'll get this once a month if you sign up for the subscription. That way you can try all the fragrances and be smelling popping this spring and summer, because you know your girl wanna be is gonna be smelling good. Okay, so thank you Helpppppp for sending this to me. All the links about Helpppppp will be in the description box below if you want to check them out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna beat my face while I talk with you all. I know y'all are gonna be like, girl, why don't you be doing no makeup tutorials? Because I feel like no one wants to see them. I'm just gonna be honest. So that's why y'all haven't been seeing none from me. And then more importantly, I need to buy new makeup. And just today, I went to Walmart to get some new makeup, and they never had my shades in nothing. Like all my favorite drugstore stuff, it always sold out. I looked up today and got my Black Radiance palette that I haven't had in a long time that I've been wanting again. So I don't know. I might just have to go to Target or somewhere, because y'all know I live in Atlanta. Everything here sells out. Oh, I cut the piece of the card. Oh Lord. But anyways, everything sells out so quick. But I did get a Real Technique sponge, and look, they said y'all not gonna be stealing our little brand. They done put a imprint. Y'all see that? In today's sponge. I say yes, that's how you gotta do it, because people out here stealing and just not doing right. But y'all be asking me what foundation I really be using. I really use this a whole lot, the L'Oreal Infallible Matte. This lasts for a long time. That's why I use it, because I have oily skin and a lot of stuff does not work for me. So anyways, the reason why we're here today, the reason why I've turned on this camera while I'm getting ready today, is to talk to you guys about my channel. And I'm not here to complain or any... Wow, I just got makeup everywhere. And then I just... Girl, you all over the place. Okay. And then I just add some of my Beautiful Bronze LA Girl Pro Concealer because it's a little... That's... Foundation is a little orange, but I do like the formula, so I just mix the two, and that's how I do it. But anyway, so I'm here to talk to you guys about my channel, and I want to know, my question to you guys is, are hair tutorials played? Like, are natural hair tutorials played out? Like, are you guys tired of seeing them? Because I'm starting to feel like they're played out. I'm starting to feel like people don't want to see them anymore, and, you know... You guys know that my channel is a natural hair tutorial channel. I mean, it's more than just a natural hair tutorial channel, but that is the majority, you know, that's the majority of what I have on my channel. Is natural hair videos, honestly. So I feel like people don't want to watch them no more. I feel like people have moved on to watching pranks and, you know, things like that, which is perfectly fine. I'm not complaining or anything, and I'm not even saying I'm about to turn into a prank channel. But what I am saying is, it may be time for me to shift my channel, to change up the content that is going to be on my channel. But I also wanted to get you guys' input, so that's why I'm bringing it to you. I have not, okay, I have yet to make any final decisions as to what I'm going to do with the content on my channel. For right now, I am still going to post hair tutorials or whatever, and I'm not saying that I'll just stop posting hair tutorials and I'll never post another one. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I need to post something more than just hair tutorials, because obviously people are interested in them. I do have about roughly, I mean, I can get, sometimes I get a lot of views on hair tutorials and sometimes I don't. I guess it just depends on the tutorial. But I just want to know from you guys, like, what do you guys want to see on my channel? And even if you do want, and I need you guys to be really specific. Don't just say hair tutorials. No, I need you to say, well, Mona, show us more of your daily routine with your hair. Show us more of, you know, stuff like that. Show us more of your, I don't know, like hair routine or regimens, or go into detail with what you guys would like to see. Just don't say, oh, hair tutorials. No, tell me what hair tutorial you want to see. Tell me what kind of hair tutorials you guys are interested in. What more do you want to watch? That's what I need from you guys. I really, really, really need that from you guys. Because at the end of the day, I make the content, but if you guys aren't watching it or enjoying it, and I'm not saying you guys aren't enjoying it, because I get comments on the regular saying that you guys are enjoying it, and I'm very, very thankful and grateful and really thankful of everyone that watches. But I need you guys to be more specific and go into detail with what you would like for Mona B in 2018. So that way I can actually give you that. You know what I'm saying? Actually provide y'all with quality content. Not to say that my content isn't quality, but I just want to be able to give you guys what you want. You guys are here. You guys want to, you guys watch. You guys have helped me grow my channel. If it wasn't for you guys, my channel would not be what it is today at all. And a fun fact is, I didn't even have high expectations for my YouTube channel at all when I first started YouTube. I didn't even really know what the heck was going on. If you want me to be completely honest, I just got on here doing it. Like, you know, because I wanted to show you guys my talents and show you guys and help you guys and stuff like that. So anyway, that's off topic. So just leave in the comments what you guys want to see from Mona B in 2018, and be very, very in-depth. Please be very in-depth. That way I can kind of gauge what you guys are interested in. I'm going to try to open up more, so if you guys want to see more personal stuff, not too personal now, but, you know, lifestyle stuff, I don't know. Just literally let me know if you guys want the vlogs to keep coming. Let your girl know, because your girl is kind of stuck. I'm going to be honest. I'm kind of at a roadblock here, and I don't really know what to do, but I'm starting to feel like natural hair tutorials are just not it anymore. And I'm not saying, I don't want nobody in the comments to say, oh, Mona, don't stop doing them. I'm gonna do hair tutorials, but I feel like there has to be something more about them. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I feel like people want more. And with YouTube changing so much, it's kind of hard for me as a creator to keep up with the times, because I'm not a trendy person. I don't really like to do what's trending. I don't like to do stuff that I don't want to do. I don't do stuff that I don't want to do. So if you don't ever see me doing something, it's because I don't want to do it. Stuff gets played out so quick, and I don't really want to jump on the trendy stuff. And the sad thing about being a creator is that's usually what captivates people's attention. I understand that, but I'm just not your trendy girl. I'm not. Comment everything, like anything and everything you can think of that you would want to see. Even if you don't think it's a smart idea or something interesting, comment it. Comment it down below. It does not matter. I'm open to any suggestions as to what you guys want to see, because I can come up with content all day, but you know, it's not always about what I want to see. It's not. So that is what I wanted to talk to y'all about. Oh, and also, since we're sitting here and I'm just doing my makeup, I probably won't even finish my makeup within this video, honestly, because I'm probably about to end this video soon. But also comment down some names below that you guys want to be called. I know I call y'all my crew, my eyes on my prize crew, but I don't know. I want a name for you guys. So if y'all can think of a name, y'all know my channel is Mona B, that's me. Hey girl. No, but seriously, if you guys can come up with something or think of a name y'all would like me to call y'all, so when I do my videos I can say, hey, what's up, such and such, you know, something. So this is the palette that I got. I'm sure you guys have all seen it, and I've been missing this palette from Black Radiance because this highlight in this palette is bomb, and I get the medium to dark. And I really have been missing this. I don't use the sculpting color. And my last one, I used it until it was no more of the highlight. The thing busted up, I believe, honestly. I think it busted up. Yep, that's what happened. It busted up. But yeah, it's a really nice contour color for chocolate skin in here. Like, you'll see that? Really, really nice. They have a cream one, but I don't do cream contour. I do not do cream contour. It is not for me. That scent really got me smelling bomb. But yeah, it's just not for me at all. Anyway, this scent is bomb. But yeah, just help your girl out. Your sister needs some help. Mona B needs some help. I need some help. I don't know. You know, it's hard being a one-woman show out here. And of course, I want to make my subscribers, you guys, happy, because you guys are making me happy when skies are gray. I need to go because I'm on a new level. I'm about to film a hair tutorial, so I am about to go. I'm about to go. So yeah, leave your suggestions in the description box. Well, in the description box. Leave your suggestions in the comments. I'm about to get out of here because I don't want this video to be dragged out, and it's already dragged out because y'all know I can ramble. So let me just go. Leave all of your comments in the comment section on your suggestions, because yeah, I need your help, okay? And I'm not afraid to say that. And I appreciate all of you guys' help and advice in advance, because I want to, you know, give y'all what y'all want. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.